Everybody, welcome here. We are going to be talking with a customer from Hello Garage right now. You know, it's another beautiful day here in Hello Garage World, not just because of the great weather, but because of the great garage that we're in. I'm here with Shelli. Shelli, thanks for talking to us today.
Absolutely.
You know, what was it that prompted you when you said, this is it, we got to get our garage done?
Well, we've heard of Hello Garage and we knew the services that they provide, but it was when we were, as a family, getting out our garage door from our house, and my son and my husband both stumbled over each other as they tripped over one of the kids' wagons and a bat, and things were falling. And finally I looked at John, I'm like, we're doing this, and we're doing this week.
So why Hello Garage? What made you look at that?
Yes, so we knew we wanted to do something with our garage. Frankly, we didn't know all of the options that Hello Garage had for us until we started looking into it a little bit more. And we realized not only can they provide the flooring we need, but also the storage needs we also wanted for our garage. Previously, before this was done, we did have some storage in place, but it was like handmade wooden shelves, nothing that really stored the things that we have now. So once we found out all of the items that Hello Garage could do, we knew it was the right fit.
Well, let's talk a little bit about that, because you've got about everything right now. You've got a beautiful garage. What are some of your favorites? Right behind me, we've got some of what we call our slat wall, and you've got a few things organized on that. You've also got some of our cabinets there. What have you found has been the most useful in how you use it?
My goal was to get things off the floor. So I knew I did not want all of the kid stuff, even the grown-up toys, if you will, on the floor. So one of the things I worked with the Hello Garage representative was finding ways to take the items we had and we wanted to keep and put them up on the wall. So I have to say the slat wall features are probably my favorite. We're a family of 4, we all golf, and so for us, this is probably my favorite wall with the golf clubs, just because it's organized, it looks good, and it's off the floor.
Yeah, and you've got some sports equipment also. That is usually something that can really start to run everywhere around the garage, and you've got that organized. You know, some of the cabinets that you've got here, and you decided to go with both open cabinets where you can see what you've got and it's readily available, and some closed off cabinets. Was there any kind of, decision there? What are some of the things that you said, I really want that hidden more so than accessible?
Yes, I like the cabinet doors to close off, because as much as I love organization, frankly, I'm just not organized all the time. So behind those doors, it is not quite as organized, but it still looks clean and good. On the outside, I was able to do the bins and some of our camping items that we like to use, also things that we use on a regular basis. So I just liked having both of those looks. I think it looks clean and good.
You also chose to create a little bit of a drop zone, we call it, with a bench for taking off shoes and boots and hanging some things. How has that worked out? Has that changed that inside part of your home now that you've have this outside?
That's a great question, and yes, it has, because we are in a climate where we have all 4 seasons. So for us, there's just a lot of shoes. I mean, we have children, and even my husband and I, we're inside, we're outside. So having the availability to be able to have some benches and some things to hang on the outside also keeps the inside cleaner too. So it's a great fit for us.
You know, as life changes, sometimes your storage needs change too. And so with the slat wall, and now you've got some smaller bikes and some balls and bats and things like that on there. Any thoughts about how you might use this space next year, 5 years, 10 years from now? You said you're gonna stay for a while. Any thoughts about how it might change with your life?
I think we'll just keep evolving as our children get older. The great thing was in the kit that was done for us, they gave us so many options for different hook types. So we have those stored away. So as our needs change, we have different hooks that we can place on the slat wall for our different needs at that time. So really it's, an investment up front, but I know that this will be able to last for a long time.
Being in real estate, you know a lot of different people in town and that sort of thing. Any thoughts of a party of some sort in the garage or having folks over?
Actually, that's a great idea. Yeah. Now that we have this space, we know that we'll be able to have, like I said, an extension of our house, and just being able to experience some outdoor activities in the garage too. I think it's gonna be great.
Yeah, well, you've got a lot of neighbors.
Yeah.
4th of July might work out. You've got a couple of kids that are gonna be graduating high school at some point. I think this would be a great spot for those graduation parties.
I'm gonna keep that in mind.
All right. Well, Shelli, thanks so much for the time today. Thanks for showing us your beautiful garage. We are so excited for you, and we are excited for you also to experience the Hello Garage Dream Garage experience. Get a hold of us today, call us out, and you too could have a garage just like this. We'll see you later.